Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to unlink Rockstar Games Social Club from Steam account. So if you have linked both of your accounts or you just want to unlink them, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to get to the Rockstar Games and make sure you're logged in. Then you have to click onto your profile icon and then in your account option, you will see this option for settings. Simply click onto it. Once you tap onto it, it will just take a while to load, and after that it will take you to the settings of your account. Once you get there, you will see different options. At the top we have these settings. You have to click onto this linked accounts. There you will find the option of Steam account and also the unlink option with it. But here you can see we don't have this option. In that case, what we can do is that we can submit a report regarding that we don't have our Steam account option up there. In that case, you have to click on this support icon, then it will take you to this support section where you can find the help. Once you get onto this page, first it will take just a while to load, and after that it will show you all these things. Now what you have to do is that you have to just simply click into this option. Either you can search for Steam or you can also search for unlink account, link account, such options, and after that you will find something related to it. And after that you will see it shows different paragraphs regarding that what you can unlink, and it also says that you can unlink your Steam account with it. So here we have this option. Within this section, we have this link. You can click onto it, and after that, it will open this support section where you can submit your report. So, in this report, you can mention that you want to unlink your account of Steam with your Rockstar game, and after that, it will respond to you. In these sections, whatever it is asking, you just have to simply write up there, and after that, submit this report. So that's how you can unlink your Steam account with your Rockstar account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.